My name is Yusuf Kuyum. I am from group number 375. Today I am going to show you how to auscultate abdomen, percussion and pulpit. So for the palpation of the abdomen, you need to know there are 9 regions. First, there are right hypochondrium region, then epigastrium region, then left hypochondrium region, then right flank region, umbilical region, left flank region, right iliac fossa, suprapubic region, and last one is left iliac fossa. So we will go by two palpations. First one is superficial palpation and second one is deep palpation. For superficial palpation, you will go like this. Now I will go for deep palpation. Now liver palpation. Spleen palpation. Now kidney palpation. Now percussion of liver. Here sound becomes dull. Now here also sound becomes dull. These are the borders of liver. Now the percussion of spleen. Now I will auscultate abdomen of the patient. To check the bowel sound. And now I will show you auscultation and percussion of lung. First I will go percussion of lung. For the percussion of lung, you will start from there. Now patient will turn around. Now I will show you auscultation of the lung. Auscultation of lung, you should start from the medial clavicular line on the both sides to find the apex of the lung. Then upper lobe of the right lung, upper lobe of the left lung, then middle lobe of the right lung, upper lobe of the left lung, then lower lobe of the right lung, lower lobe of the left lung. Turn patient. And on the back side, we will start from above the scapula to find the apex of the lung on the both sides. Then medial lobes, upper lobe of the lung, then go to medium lobe of the right and upper of the left, lower of the right, lower of the left. That's it. Auscultation of the heart. For the auscultation of heart, there are 5 pointers. First point, which is mitral valve. To determine the mitral valve, which is present near the nipple and on the fifth intercostal space. Then second point is aortic valve, which is present on the second intercostal area on the right side of the sternum. Then third point, which is pulmonary valve, which is present on the left side of the sternum opposite to the aortic valve. Then fourth point, which is on the base of the sternum, slightly left of the sternum, and which we called is tricuspid valve. And then fifth point, which is Brodkin-Urbs point, which is present in between tricuspid valve and the pulmonary valve near about third intercostal space. And now I am going to show you percussion of the heart. To determine the percussion of the heart, we should define first 3 borders of the heart: upper border, left border, and the right border of the heart. To determine the right border of the heart, first of all we should do percussion from the medial clavicular line by quiet percussion. Here sound becomes dull. Now we should go to intercostal areas up and start by medium percussion to the sternum. Here the sound becomes dull, that means it is the right border of the heart. Now upper border of the heart, we should start from the first intercostal space. Here the sound becomes dull, that means it is upper border of the heart. It is near about third intercostal space. To determine the left border of the heart, first of all we should find apex bead by the palpation and go to the medial axillary anterior line and start percussion to the towards the sternum. Here the sound becomes dull, that means it is left border of the heart.